This video we're going to cover some quick tips on fire extinguisher use. It's gonna include the types of fire extinguishers out there, when to fight a fire, and how to use a fire extinguisher.
Hello, I am water extinguisher. Fires on wood, paper, or clothing. Use me. Do not use me for electrical fires or flammable liquid fires. You can ask dry powder for help with those.
I am dry powder extinguisher. I use powder to extinguish your fires. From fire on wood and paper to electrical fires to gases leak fires. I can extinguish them all. The only fires that I cannot extinguish are cooking oil fires.
Hi, I am a carbon dioxide extinguisher. You can use my help to extinguish electrical fires when dry powder is not around. Hello. I am aqueous film foaming foam. Foam spray fire extinguisher. Subtable to fight burning solids such as wood as well as liquid fires such as burning petrol. Use me.
Pass method to extinguish the fire. Next, we will teach you how to use a fire extinguisher correctly, using the pass method. While the specifics may vary depending on the model you own, most fire extinguisher operate same the basic way. Stand 6 to 8 feet away from the fire, and remember to pass. P A S S Pass. P. Pull the pin at the top to break the tamper seal. A. Aim the extinguisher low, pointing the nozzle at the base of the fire. Do not aim at the flames themselves. S. Squeeze the handle to release the extinguisher agent. S. Sweep the extinguisher from side to side, continuing to aim the base of the fire until it appears to be out. Next, let's look at the fire extinguishing action. Remember, fires can be harmful and fatal. So, do not put the fire out yourself, unless it's safe to do so.